Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of Kim Jong-un and his extravagant dollar spending. Prepare to be amazed. Scene 1. Luxury Lifestyle. Kim Jong-un, the supreme leader of North Korea, is known for his opulent lifestyle. From luxury cars to lavish mansions, he spares no expense. But how does he spend his dollars? Scene 2. Rare Collectibles. Unsurprisingly, Kim Jong-un has a taste for rare and expensive collectibles. From antique cars and rare stamps to exclusive art pieces, his dollar expenditures know no bounds. Scene 3. Travel Adventures. Kim Jong-un's love for travel takes him to exotic destinations worldwide. Private jets, luxurious accommodations, and Michelin-starred dining experiences are just the tip of the iceberg. Scene 4. High-end Fashion. The supreme leader has an impeccable sense of style, often seen donning high-end designer clothing and accessories. His wardrobe is nothing short of extraordinary. Conclusion. Kim Jong-un's extravagant dollar spending is a testament to his luxurious lifestyle. While his country faces economic challenges, he continues to indulge in the finest things money can buy. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating content. Until next time, stay curious.